Right, hello everybody, how are you? My name is Oscar Kibet. So today I have something different that I wanted to unbox and show you. Now we have the combination squares, two types. We have this one and this one. This one has the protractor and the anvil. So today my discussion for today is not about this, but it's about the spirit level. I began to realize that these ones were a bit too small for the bigger projects. So today I have something different from Tolsen, which is this one. So we are going to do the unboxing just right now. So I managed to purchase this from Tolsen, and I noticed it's 1 meter, which will be much better for doing bigger projects, like what we want to do. We'll be installing a floating shelf, and this is the plank of wood that we're going to use. So the floating shelf will also have some metal brackets, of which we are going to, we are starting to make them. So once the floating shelf is made, which is this is a solid mahogany, 2 inches thick. It's something that is quite heavy. It will need a strong bracket for recess. So for the bracket to be well recessed, you have to use what you call a spirit level, which is this one that I'm trying to unbox. I've not seen how it really looks like. I just ordered it online. We have one of our traders who usually sells to us very high quality tools. So let's see how this thing looks like. Now this one is 40 inches long, which means it's more than 1 meter, but slightly longer by an inch. So let's see how this thing looks. Wow, this is how it looks. Yeah, I like by the look and feel of how it is. I think this is made from aluminium metal. One of the traders told me that it is magnetic, but anyway, let's test and see how it looks like. I think these are the handles. This is the center, spirit level. It has 3 of them. There's another one here and another one here. I think this one is to test the vertical look, but right now what you are looking at is the horizontal angle at which the floating shelf will be recessed. So this is how the spirit level looks like. I don't think there are any other extras, but you can see it's well finished. So if you want to check on the angle whether it is straight, this is how you place it. Yeah, as you can see, when it goes to the center, it means that thing is accurate. It's properly fixed and properly accurate. So I think if you want to check now on the vertical side of it, I think this is how you do it. As you can see, yeah, that one means it's completely straight. So I can see another one here. When it's slanting, that's how you can also be able to tell. Yeah, I can see this is a good product. So they wrote magnetic. Okay, what I have here is wood. So maybe I can test it with my pen knife. Yeah, this is magnetic, as you can see. Yeah, this is a magnetic piece. I don't know if it is magnetic on top. You can test it. No. The only magnetic end is here. Yeah, as you can see, it's magnetic there. It has magnet on this side. Yeah, the whole of this side is magnetic, as you can see. So anyway, thank you so much. My name is Oscar Kibet. As you can see, we usually post our videos and shorts. We usually make rattan furniture and baskets. We make from wood, and we also make, we make rattan furniture with a wooden frame, and we also make rattan furniture from metal frame. So thank you so much. Please like and share our content. Thanks so much. God bless.